Welcome back. So I didn't want to start the bike, but I just don't think I can leave you guys hanging and, you know, not start it. We got to start it. So got the battery, got the key, got a few tools. Let's see if we can start her up. Right, need some of this. I need to remember to actually WD-40 the locks on this. How are we gonna do this? Right, oh, okay, need an Allen key for that. That's for this, I believe. There we go, right. Let's get this off. Some Allen headed bolts. Release the seat. Right, so here we go. Got a key. Let's sniff. Sufficient swishing of fuel, always a good sign. Bit worried about these, you know, the stories that you hear about these starting up and they're being a bit temperamental, but I think we have to give it a go. Right, let's get this going. Now, look at the size of this battery. It comes in a neat little kit. It's got a wonderful size to it. It's tiny, but it comes, is part of the kit with the bolts, but also with spacers that when you stick the battery in, let me show you the spacers. Come around here. Here's the battery, fits into the palm of my hand, and sorry, crouching down, you can see in here comes with these little bits and bobs to pad the seat out, well, the battery box area, so it fits nice and snug, so it won't fall around in there, which I think that's a fantastic thing that they do. Right, I've got some bolts here. Let's see if we can get these to get in there. Some more bolts. Bolts upon bolts. Spacer bolt. Let's have a look. So, got it wrong way round. Stick it this way. Get this off. This nice little rubber cover on the terminal. So oops. Right, now I see why it has the bolts, so that you can space out. Right, so where was I? Battery has quite short, shallow terminals. I wonder if you can move these around, and that's the whole point. But I think it comes with these spacers so that you can attach the battery into with the existing clips. Let's try and do that. Bit of a fiddly job. I think you'll see. Right, hope you can see all that. That's when you need octopus eye hands. Right. Here we are, right, moment of truth. Let's get this going. All right, side stand down in neutral. Could hear the fuel pump. Let's give it another go, just to prime it. Always a good sign. All right, moment of truth. I warn you, it's going to be loud. That's it, you're on. That's loud! that's a relief. Yeah, this is why we have mufflers on our motorcycles, to stop ourselves going deaf. But honestly, I had to start it up for you guys. But it's pretty fantastic, to be honest with you. I made up. So order parts from England, bring some bits over, some flat bars, some crash protection. Let's take it on track. I might remove all the lights, but keep all the bodywork as it is. It's a Tuono, and just ride it as best I can. Fantastic. I'm made up. See you in the next episode of this one. Cheers.